You would agree with me that we live in a world where everything is fast. Fast food, fast indomie, fast learn, including marriage and relationship. So when it comes to the way we do love, marriage, relationship, boy meets girl, girl says yes, and before you know it, they get married. And in most situations, boy meets girl, girl say yes, they will date for 6 years, and sometimes they get married, sometimes they don't. But there is something unique about how our Igbo people used to get married in the olden days. The process that they used to get married during those days was so unique, so much so that there was less or no divorce during their time compared to the present age. In this video, we are going to look into the processes that old Igbo people used to get married that made them to get less or no divorce, to see if it's possible for us to adapt it in our present time. I hope you do. But first, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, welcome to the family. My name is Uche and I do everything Igbo history. If this is what interests you, please do well to hit that subscribe button and also go back to our channel to watch other Igbo interesting videos. I bet you will like it. Meanwhile, like this video now or at the end of this video if you enjoyed it. And to our returning subscribers, thank you for always sticking by. You are the real MVP. Now, let's dive right into the video. The first thing you need to understand is that when it comes to marriage, during the old Igbo society, it was not just about rush. It is not a fast lane thing. It's a journey. It always starts from when a young man sees a beautiful damsel that he is interested or he will be interested in getting married to. So the first thing that he has to do, or he must have to do, is to inform his own family. Because you see, during those days, marriage was not a personal affair, and love to them is not enough. So he has to first of all engage his own family in order to hear their opinion or to seek their permission. After that, this man must have consulted his family. The family will now do a background check on the lady that he wants to marry and then give him consent. If the background of that lady is good, they will say, okay, let us go. But if the background of this lady is bad, they will decline. But then, in the situation where the family of this very man agrees, the first step that they will take is what we call ekwaka. That is knock on the door. This is the situation where the family of the man will go to the family of the woman that the man wants to get married to make their intentions known. And so they usually go with kola nuts and palm wine. Now, if the family of the woman is impressed by what they heard and what they saw, they will now give the family of the man a date for further talk. But if they are not impressed, that is where the journey ends. The next step is bride price negotiation. Now, this is not about buying the woman. Rather, it was a symbolic way of showing the parents' appreciation for raising their daughter very well. And so the items that could contain in that bride price list is yam, goat, clothing, drinks, and sometimes money. Now, the bride price list or the bride price items could differ from one village to another. In some villages, the bride price list is moderate, while in others, it is longer. Now, whichever one be the case, elders usually remind the people that the value of their daughter is far greater than whatever thing that they could find on that list. After that, they will now fix the date for the big event, the one that you will call a traditional marriage. But in those days, they call it the wine carrying ceremony or the Igba Nkwu wine. So in this event, basically, you will see the woman or the bride dressed in a beautiful jute wrapper with a coral bead, carrying a cup of wine given to her by the father to go and give to the husband. So sometimes she has to pretend not to see the husband immediately in order to build excitement. You also see other young men who are trying to call her to collect the wine from her. So after much going around, she will now go to the husband, kneel to the husband, offer the husband the drink. And after drinking the wine, they will now go back to the parents of the woman. So after the prayers, you will now see there will be music, and a lot of dancing here and there. And a lot of persons will now start blessing the couple and praying for them, giving them advice for the future. Now, this public act seals the marriage in the eyes of both families. Isn't this beautiful? Now, thinking about it now, do you think that marriage then was more beautiful than it is now? Because, choose one. It was about family unit than couple's love story. I will leave you to make the choice. So, having said that, you've seen how our ancestors got married, from bride price to Igba Nkwu. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Meanwhile, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, in order for you to be the first to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. My name is Uche and I will see you in the next video.